Now we're gonna make a whiskey smash. This is one of my favorite cocktails because it's a lot like mint julep, except for you don't have to do the smashing of the ice thing, because when you shake the cocktail, it smashes the ice. It's very minty, very refreshing. Start with 2 ounces of bourbon. I like to use this Four Roses. It's cheap, but very delicious. It's one of the best economical bourbons you can buy. I do just a dash of lemon juice, tiny bit, and a little bit of simple syrup, and then 4 mint leaves. Looks perfect. Dump it all back in. And then this is the best part. Find a good sprig of mint. Cup in your hands. Slap it. It makes all of the mint aromas come out. Cheers.